Wow, she did a good thing and got a lot of problems in return.
Not good. All right, you guys.
Wind.
Yeah, look out. Wind. Enjoy. Hey, take a look at Paco Ridge, though. Good day to be out golfing if you don't factor in the wind. Take a look at the trees on the side there. They're blowing. You can see the water kind of shifting as we get the winds running over the top of it. But overall, a lot of sunshine this weekend, so that's the good point in all this, and a lot of wind as well. Here's a look at the current winds out there sustained right now. At this point, not too bad. We're going to ramp it up more tomorrow. 28 miles an hour. Las Vegas right now, 29 in Raton. Around the Albuquerque area, mid-20s for our winds, 28 in Roswell, 29 in Ruidoso. Looking at the wind gusts at this point, we're up to 32 miles an hour in the metro, 38 in Santa Fe. Raton closing in on 50 miles an hour at a gust. Those are some numbers we're going to see tomorrow statewide. And down to the south, 20s and 30s for our gusts at this point. And essentially what we're dealing with here is our wind machine, because the storm system is going to set up to our north and west. And what that's going to cause is a response from the atmosphere driving winds from the southwest across the state here. So there's really no area of the state that's going to escape without some strong winds for tomorrow. To the north, 30 to 40 miles an hour. Some gusts could top 60 in spots. And over to the south and west, gusts could be around 50 miles an hour from this, and we have wind advisories all across the northern two-thirds of New Mexico for tomorrow, so be prepared for a very windy day. Current conditions out there right now, 89 degrees, and winds out of the south at 25 miles an hour. Relative humidity, single-digit stuff, so you know what that means. A lot of wind, a lot of warm temperatures. A lot of fire danger out there over the next few days. 70s and 80s to the north for us. Down to the south, we're all the way up to 98 in both Roswell and Carlsbad. These areas, too, because of the gusty winds tomorrow, we are looking at extreme fire danger out there. Satellite and radar, most of the cloud cover and the higher relative humidities are going to stay to the north for us. So all we're going to get out of this are those rushing winds out of the south and west, and that's what we can anticipate not only for Saturday, but for Sunday as well. So essentially what we will deal with here is wind gusts each afternoon being the problematic time. They'll slide back, not be quite as bad in the mornings, but then each afternoon gusts up to around 55, maybe 60 miles an hour. As we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week, we will start to see a change. Thankfully, we'll bring in some more humid air to the eastern side of the state and have a chance at a storm or two and start to bring down that fire danger a little bit. But throughout the weekend, it is a concern, so be prepared for that. Across the north and west, 70s and 80s for us. Southwest winds 25 to 35, gusting to 50. 7-day forecast shows plenty of sunshine over the next 4 to 5 days across the four corners. It's just that dealing with the winds will make that a little difficult at times. Across the south and west, temperatures here 80s and 90s. Southwest winds up to 50 miles an hour at a gust. Southeast, very warm. 98 in Roswell, 97 Artesia, 95 in Hobbs, gusting up to about 45 miles an hour with those winds. We do start to see an increasing chance at picking up a thunderstorm or two into next week, but through the weekend I think we're going to remain largely dry. Now across the northeast, we could see, especially, say, in those extreme eastern counties, an isolated shower at times over the weekend, but I think that's pretty limited. And if I had to tell you one thing I'd worry about more than anything else, obviously the winds, and you're going to have a bigger problem with a sunburn than a thunderstorm this weekend, but there is that slight chance. 86 Espanola, 77 Cuba, 79 in Los Alamos, gusting up to 55 miles an hour. Santa Fe extended forecast could start to see a storm pop into Santa Fe Tuesday or Wednesday. East Mountains temps topping out tomorrow in the 80s with those wind gusts right around 50 miles an hour. And here in the metro area, looks good sunshine-wise, mostly sunny skies, but we will have our fair share of the wind as well. Gusts up to 50. Albuquerque extended forecast. We could keep those winds going into next week as well. So not necessarily a great setup for us for the weekend.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is next.